Hello, this is John with Modern Exterior. I am here in Lannon, Wisconsin, doing a roof inspection after a storm here. And today I'm going to real briefly talk about the importance of doing inspections after storms. See, it's very important that you have either yourself or an expert go up on your roof after any kind of significant weather event, be that hail or wind, because you never know what you're going to see until you get up there. So these tiny pocks right here appear to me to be hail strikes. That is damage that is caused by hail striking the roof, wearing away the granules, allowing that asphalt underneath to become exposed to UV radiation from the sun. That is not something you would see from the ground. A lot of hail damage is very difficult to spot unless you are on the roof itself. So your roof may look good from the ground, it may look like there's no damage, but you can see these soft metals here. All these spots where the chalk did not adhere, that's actually where the vent itself was recessed due to damage from hail. On top of that, you are oftentimes able to see other issues that you may potentially miss throughout the year. It's a good time to do some general wellness check. For example, on this roof, you can see you have some splitting here that appears to be thermal cracking from poor ventilation. So it's just important that you keep an eye on everything here. You can also see nailhead pop-throughs from the shingles getting and worn. So it's just important to make sure everything is in good condition after a storm. This is John with Modern Exterior signing off.